Asuna will tell you the story of the boy who harnessed the wind. In a small village in Malawi where people had no money for rain, nightfall came quickly and hurried for farmers to end. But for William, the darkness is the best way for dreaming. He dreamed of building things and taking them apart like the truck with bottle cap, wheels parted under his bed. His grandpa tells pitch black of his room. At dawn in the field, William scanned the maze roar for magical beings. In 900 as a truck rumbled past, how does it imagine? Make it go. Pay attention where you throw that now. His father shouted, "You'll cut off your foot for all of our overdance and flying things. Magic could not bring the rain. Without water, the sun rose angry each morning and stirred the fields, turning the maize into dust. Without food, Malawi began to starve. Soon William's father grabbed the children and said, "From now on, meat and only on meal per day. Make it less. Money also." Father said, "I'm sorry, you will have to drop out school." For weeks he sulked under the mango tree until he remembered the library down the road, a gift from the American. He found science books filled with braille pictures, with his English dictionary close by, and how radios pulled their music from the sky can produce electricity and hot water. He closed his eyes and saw a windmill outside his home, pulling electron from the breeze and bringing light to his dead body. In the junkyard, fish appeared like roosters in tall grass, character fans, some imps and rings and balls that record every musculature move. After many weeks, William brings his pitch in the jet of broken bells, rose bottle webs, and plastic pig. For 3 days, he bought hands and in will they bore search. They had saying, "What's Misala do now?" His cousin Geoffrey and best friend Gilbert Sir Edward Molly Margie, the truth, "Can we help with electric wind?" They swung their sharp blades into throws of blue vultures. The hammered them together to make the tower said, and that blows one line. With sore hands, one swallowed, one darkness. William connected. Where's to a small ball? What should we know? A man yelled, "Well done," as the dogs clapped and cheered. William knew he had just begun. Like could not feel empathy, but not another. They groaned, creating footwear on the where was not. They could see and